All right, and this is another conversion. So converting a fraction to a percent. So very simple. The rule is a little bit longer. So when you see a fraction and you're asked to change it to a percent, here's the rule. You will divide the numerator by the denominator. So this number divided by this number, and then multiply that answer by 100. And from the previous lesson, you know there's a shortcut. Instead of multiplying by 100 on a calculator, you just simply, with your eyes, move your decimal 2 to the right. So I will go 13 divide 60, and then move the decimal twice to the right, and this is what I will get. 13 divides 60, and then I multiply by 100, or move my decimal twice to the right, and I get 21.666. It's a repeating number, and so if I just wanted to round it off to the nearest hundredth again, right, I can keep it at 66, or I can look to the next number. If that's a 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, it changes the 66 to a 67. So I can just say this is 21.67%. Okay, pretty simple. So in this one, notice that the fraction is not proper like this one. A proper fraction, again, is top number is smaller than the bottom. This is improper because the top number is larger than the bottom. So I will divide this by this, multiply by 100, and I should get a percent that's greater than 100. So 185 divide 62, and if I multiply that by 100, I've got 298 decimal 387097. Now I'd like to round it off to the hundredth again, so 2 numbers after the decimal. So that's a 38, but I look at the next number, it's a 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, it changes that to a 39, which it is, so it becomes 298.39%. And that is how you convert a fraction to percent.